You don't need $10,000 to start a business. You don't need a business degree. You don't even need a perfect idea. What if I told you that with less than $1,000, you could start a business that makes $5,000 a month? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 real businesses you can start with less than $1,000. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are proven businesses that people are actually building right now. I've seen people turn $500 into $50,000. I've seen side hustles become full-time careers. And the best part, you can start from your kitchen table. No fancy office, no employees, just you and your ambition. So if you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing, stick with me. Let's dive into the 5 businesses you can start with less than $1,000. Before we dive into the businesses, let's talk about 3 things you need to set up. These are essential for any business in the United States. First, form an LLC. A limited liability company protects your personal assets. If your business gets sued, they can't take your house or your savings. It costs about $100, $300, depending on your state. Second, get an I. That's an employer identification number from the IRS. It's like a social security number for your business. You need it to open a business bank account and file taxes. And it's free. Third, open a business bank account. Keep your business money separate from your personal money. This makes accounting easier and protects your LLC status. Many banks offer free business checking. Total cost under $500 for most states. That leaves you plenty of money to actually start your business. These are one-time costs that protect you for the life of your business. Set these up before you make your first dollar. They protect you, they make you legitimate, and they cost less than a new iPhone. Now, let's get to the fun part. Business number 1. A freelance agency. You don't need to be the expert yourself. You just need to connect clients with talented freelancers. Here's how it works. You find clients who need work done. You find freelancers who can do that work. You charge the client $100, pay the freelancer $70, and keep $30. That's your profit. What services can you offer? Web design, copywriting, video editing, social media management, graphic design, virtual assistants, any service that businesses need. Startup costs. A simple website using Squarespace or Wix, about $200. Marketing, $300 for ads or cold outreach. You don't pay freelancers until the client pays you. Total startup cost under $500. Where do you find clients? Upwork, Fiverr, cold emailing, LinkedIn. Start with one channel and get good at it. You only need 5 to 10 clients to make $5,000 a month. Where do you find freelancers? Same places. Upwork, Fiverr, Facebook groups. Look for freelancers with good reviews and reasonable rates. Start with 1 or 2 and build a team. Let's do the math. A $2,000 web design project. You pay a freelancer $1,200. You keep $800, do 5 projects a month, and you're making $4,000 with less than $500 to start. Freelance agency is one of the lowest cost businesses you can start. No inventory, no shipping, just connections and communication. And it scales as you grow your team. Business number 2. Print on demand. You design products, a company prints and ships them. You never touch inventory. You never deal with shipping. You just collect profit. Here's how it works. You create designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases. You list them on a platform like Etsy or Shop. When a customer orders, a print-on-demand company like Printful or Printify prints the product and ships it to the customer. You keep the profit. Popular print-on-demand companies include Printful, Printify, and Gelato. They integrate with Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon. You don't pay anything until you make a sale. Startup costs. Design software like Canva is free. Samples to test quality, $100. Etsy listing fees, $20. That's it. Under $150 to start. What niches work? Funny dog shirts for dog lovers. Fitness motivation for gym goers. Travel quotes for wanderlust. Christian apparel for church go. Pick a niche you're passionate about. Let's look at the math. A t-shirt sells for $25. The print-on-demand company charges $12. Your profit is $13. Sell 100 shirts a month, and you're making $1,300. Sell 300 shirts. That's $3,900. How do you get customers? Etsy, SEO, to show up in search. Pinterest for visual discovery. TikTok and Instagram for viral reach. You don't need paid ads to start. Good designs and good SEO are enough. Print on demand is perfect for creatives. No inventory risk, no shipping hassle. You focus on designs, and the rest happens automatically. Start with 10 designs and see what sells. Business number 3. A local service business. Lawn care, pressure washing, house cleaning, window washing. These are businesses that will never go out of style. People always need their lawns mowed and their houses cleaned. What services can you offer? Lawn care, pressure washing, house cleaning, window washing, gutter cleaning, junk removal. Pick one and get really good at it. Startup costs. For lawn care, a used mower, trimmer, blower, $300 to $500. For pressure washing, a pressure washer, $400. Marketing, $100 for flyers and signs. Insurance, $200 a year. You can start for under $1,000. How do you find customers? Go door-to-door, leave flyers, post on the Nextdoor app, create a Google My Business profile, join local Facebook groups. The best part? You can get customers before you even buy equipment. Let's do the math. Lawn mowing can charge $50, $80 per yard. If you do 4 yards a day, that's $200 a day. Work 20 days a month, that's $4,000. And that's just mowing. Add pressure washing, gutter cleaning, and you can double that. The beauty of local service businesses. They scale. Start with you and a mower. Hire a helper. Get a truck. Add more crews. The largest lawn care companies started with one guy and a push mower. And it's recurring revenue. Once you mow someone's lawn, they usually want you every week. That's predictable income. Build up 50 weekly customers and you have a solid business. Local service businesses are the oldest businesses in the world. They're not glamorous, but they're reliable. People always need their lawns mowed, their houses cleaned, their gutters cleared. It's a business that will always have customers. Business number 4. Digital products. You create something once and sell it forever. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service hassles. Pure profit after creation. What can you sell? Ebooks, Notion templates, Canva templates, online courses, planners, Lightroom presets, spreadsheets, software. Anything that can be downloaded. Startup costs. Canva to create designs. Free or $120 a year. Gumroad or Etsy to sell. Free to list. Marketing, $100 for social media ads or just free content. You can start for under $200. Let's look at the math. Create a $20 ebook on a topic you know well. Sell 50 copies a month. That's $1,000. Sell 200 copies a month. That's $4,000. And you only did the work once. Where do you sell? Gumroad is great for creators. Etsy for printables. Amazon Kindle for ebook, or your own website with Shopify or Squarespace. Pick one platform and master it. How do you get customers? Pinterest is perfect for TikTok for showcasing your product. Instagram for building a following. Email list for repeat customers. Give away free samples to build trust. The magic of digital products is they work while you sleep. You create the product once, and it can sell 100 times, 1,000 times, 10,000 times. It's the closest thing to true passive income. Digital products are perfect for people who love creating. Write, design, record, package your knowledge into something people want, then let it sell. While you sleep, business number 5. Dropshipping, but not the way you see on TikTok. The smart way. No random products from China. No fighting with AliExpress. This is how real dropshippers make money. Here's how dropshipping works. You list products on your online store. When a customer orders, a supplier ships the product directly to them. You never touch inventory. You never pack boxers. You just market and sell. The smart way? Use US-based suppliers, not AliExpress with 30-day shipping. Use Printful for custom products. Use US-based warehouses for fast shipping. Your customers won't wait 3 weeks for their order. What to sell? Pick a niche. Pet accessories, fitness gear, home decor, gift items. Don't try to sell everything. Focus on a niche you understand and can market well. Startup costs. Shopify, $30 a month. Domain, $15 a year. Samples to test quality, $100. Marketing, $200 to start. Total under $500. Much less than traditional retail. Let's do the math. You sell a product for $40. Your cost is $20. Your profit is $20. Sell 100 a month. That's $2,000. Sell 250 a month. That's $5,000. And you never touched the product. How do you get customers? Facebook and Instagram ads, TikTok organic content, influencer partnerships. Start with one channel. Get good at it. Then expand. Don't try to do everything at once. Dropshipping gets a bad reputation because of cheap products and slow shipping. But done right, with US suppliers and quality products, it's a legitimate business. Start small. Test products. Scale what works. Let's quickly recap the 5 businesses you can start with less than $1,000. A freelance agency connecting clients with talent, print on demand selling custom designs, local services like lawn care and cleaning, digital products you create once and sell forever, and dropshipping the smart way with US suppliers. Here's your action plan. Pick one business that resonates with you. Set up your LLC, get your EIN, open a business bank account, start with $500 to $1,000, and take action today. Not next week, not when you're ready. Today, don't wait for perfect conditions. They never come. Start messy. Learn as you go. Adjust as you grow. The people who succeed aren't the ones with the perfect plan. They're the ones who started. And remember, this video is for educational purposes. I'm not a lawyer or an accountant. Always consult with professionals when starting a business. Your situation is unique. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Money Mint for more simple money tips. Next time, we're talking about how to scale your business from $1,000 to $10,000 a month. You won't want to miss it. I'm Mr. Mint, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your future self will thank you for the business you start today. Take that first step. You've got this.